G'day guys, my name is CJ. What do you guys do when you come home from work? It's probably this. And for me, this can quickly escalate into a bit of a mess on our buffet. Now this is the Alpaka Hub system, and honestly, all I can say is magnets. Let's take a look. Alright, so Alpaka, like many other EDC brands before them, made their start on things like Kickstarter. And as you know, I love Aussie brands. And before this product, the Hub, they've already had bundles of experience with delivering a product both in the guise of their Shift backpack and their 7 messenger bags, both well exceeding their funding goals, and they've delivered on their promises. So that's a really good sign already. Now, in addition to the Hub, Alpaka sent over their Sling Pro Bag for me to check out, and it's a really nice, high quality, fanny pack looking everyday bag that gives me confidence in the engineering and build quality of their products. I might do a separate video on this bag later, so hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see that. But in any case, the Hub concept is based around Alpaka's pre-existing magnetic accessory ecosystem, using it to organize your essentials neatly in one spot, with this little holder being the most basic core element. But the magic really is in its magnets and modularity. Let me explain. The Hub is comprised of 3 basic elements: the magnetic holder called the mod, this slightly chunky clip, and a magnetic bar also known as the mod plate. Now, the clip is for when you're on the go, and the mod plate is for home or at work. The destination, if you will. And then the key component in all of this is magnets. I mean, everyone loves magnets, right? Every element is magnetized, and they've been designed in a way so that the mod snaps in place accurately every single time. The magnets aren't too strong or too weak, and I think the unique design helps shape how secure it is, and it works really well. Now, the mod plates come in 2 sizes, a short and long version with a double-sided 3M tape. You can use that to stick on whatever surface you want, whether it be the wall, your table, or in my case, the lounge room buffet. Now, the short one probably works best in the office since it can only fit 3 accessories. So if you only need your card, your keys, and maybe one other thing like hand sanitizer, then it works. Then you've got the larger one, maybe for home, because it can fit up to 6 things. Useful for maybe if you've got another family member that uses this system and it can fit a few things more. On top of that, I'm a big fan of the matte black design, and I think it looks really sleek. It's also nice and solid, being just a block of aluminium, and it reminds me of that magnetic strip that I use to hold my kitchen knives, which I guess is a similar concept. And I wouldn't be surprised if this didn't at least provide a tiny element of inspiration for the guys at Alpaka. Now let's talk about the clip. On the surface, it's actually quite a chunky bit of kit, but it does feel nice and solid, and I imagine it's designed like this to guarantee the keychain sits nice and securely. I mean, take a look at the complex design inside. All of this to ensure that the little mod stays secure, because you're going to be using this out and about, and you don't really want to worry that it's either going to slip off or get lost, or worst case scenario, get stolen. And so far, being out at work or in town, it's worked brilliantly, showing no signs of slipping and being really secure. Now, I've been using this clip with their sling bag on the shoulder strap, and I think it fits the aesthetic pretty well. And honestly, it works pretty well with any other black or dark colored bag, or anything with an edge really. Belt, check. Top of the pants, check. Pants pocket, check. Shirt pocket, check. Shoe, check. I mean, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but really, its use case is only limited by your imagination. Then you've got the core of this system, the mod itself. Now, this little ring allows you to use your current keys or your current orbit key, or in my case, my Jibbon Key Holder with the system. And honestly, you could hang all sorts of things to your heart's content as long as it's not too heavy. And I'll be honest, I was surprised it could hold my stack of keys at all. And I gotta say, it's pretty damn solid. So really, its use cases is going to be down to your imagination. Maybe one day there'll be one that's strong enough to hold something like a camera, kind of like the Peak Design clip. Now there's an idea. Now on the holder itself, you've got this pull tab sitting just above this pull word telling you what to do. It does look a little bit funny, but you actually need it to pull the mod off the clip, and it does improve the overall ergonomics, making handling it super easy. It snaps reliably onto the mod plate and is securely held with a little lip that overhangs it. And then with the clip, it sits nice and securely inside with a satisfying click. And unless you pull the tab like it tells you to, it actually sits really securely inside, which is awesome. Securely without, securely with. Then to round it out, you've got other accessories that work with the mod, like this little card holder that can double up as an ID slot. Great for people who work in companies that use secure card access or those that use public transport a lot, making it easy to simply grab, swipe, and go. But because of that, I probably wouldn't keep my most valuable bank cards in there if you're commuting on public transport, mainly because I don't want to be responsible for your cards being stolen or lost because someone played Minesweeper with it. I mean, it is pretty secure, but I would err on the side of caution. And of course, it wouldn't be a 2021 pandemic product if it didn't have something relevant for the times. And yes, there is an accessory for a hand sanitizer holder, which, well, basically does what it says. It comes with a reusable bottle so you can fill it up yourself. No waste, pretty sweet. And so overall, I think the Hub is a pretty cool ecosystem. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks, and it's helped me be more organized and tidy. Though my one complaint still is that I do wish the clip was just that little bit sleeker, but I guess that can wait for version 2. Everything feels nice and solid, and that's speaking about prototype samples, so I've got full confidence that the finished product is going to live up to the right standards and hype. As more people use it, I'm sure there'll be even more imaginative use cases for it, and honestly, it's a nice, elegant way to organize some of your most used everyday items like your keys and cards, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well. When it goes on sale officially, it'll start at $30 just for the mod and clip, and it goes up from there if you want some of the extras. Check it out in the Kickstarter link below, and do get in early before it's over because there are some pretty sweet discounts on it right now. But if by the time you see this video and the campaign is over, I'll have the official link in the description as well. So what do you think of the Alpaka Hub? Do you think this would be a useful addition to your collection? Any other suggestions for how you would use it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a like, subscribe for more, ding the bell icon so you don't miss out. Stay safe, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Say good day to your mum for me. Cheers.